ena brane be hu anyame amani yo ne na basa ne tumi a eye adwuma ye wo snit nchemu wo adum sanso na GCB Ghana Commercial Bank dan na chipe tano ena me kamfo ede amawo na fe 3 heba koko na adokro wo no obetumi atu ase amawo esikoko ase Emma yam so entim enka baba nso afei na waste pains associated with cocoa no so ebe free was say be yiwu usisi mu nyina kama 3A co capsules ana obia giatum Colinac Dani Misty Apidank obenya bi atop 0546107107 yeah BBC Boris B chicken anuncio de ye emodu 1.6 up to 1.2 full chicken, Thai wings, breast or fillet, gizzard layers, your broiler and so Ewe kremonia owi be ye wa chance ye de ntotoya ebe halal no ye de amount kama Bantuma High Street any press bi dadi nhwene mu asawase market Santazi roundabout Unity Oil ho Samson Apoku trading edum ena SG Mall top and so obenya bi Shell Body Junction so sa for 05344453 05344453 Anope Olivia Trasia na just say a future life na enebe to twenkomo Olivia Kwaba now to say you know about the Anope sempa be na wo maye
yo
efa pomden ho
yo yeti e che tiefu nyina
tiefo joso
ma pomden ho nti na da bia future life for ye wa ha ye wa ha pese obi anya pomden onye ni je no de suma urade fi so se mfa ni je nsom no ya nkasa so ye yare e be na etima som ni ye enti modi die ho hia e na meka ade ba ko bi ho asem as a pressure ne diabetes say abaji abrabo na kanta so ni na afiri nuane a ye di amwo ni padua no enti basa pa na atreat ni mu nyina sisi esisi pa okuma no ntimi empompe moja ni ye afi yeso anya pressure ena obia da duro so dendenden enti hyase wa wunya bi no o ma me anya bia na papa anya bia ka hwe ho se wo de wunya bi enti ni nyina so besesa waduane die ye nuane ye natural food supplement ye bo ni padua no empne e ma sa ne o ma ne e ma woni padua no enti na e bo ho da ro se obia me pabini na wa anya efise de ayi obi na na kina e bi betima ye o yare anya ajapade ene ya prafa enti ye ho de oba ye chirochiro nuane obegya edi ayi mo wankasa enti ye pese wankasa oba ye ho fi se diabetes adoso dodo ewo na doso bisa ho se die ntia ni nyina ye enuane di aye ni ye no na panyin bi kasa mani je ho ye o camp de ho asem o se India for the Chinese for omunya 75 years afi no masi o momranti brem ene wo maba brem aha de o kasa 70 a na chese wo kwa amenem die nti na ekoso sa o matimi aye ama aduane obitimi 135 years 130 years first crowd na Japan ba se Japan for no ko manim dodo die na ye de ye prisi e be wuntem se minya 70 a obi wo ho be fro wo se bi fie ko nani mo wo se 60 years na broni kra onya 60-65 years na wakasa wanyina dwuma obediu no so enti die enti na asa ye akasa ye pray ho fise nuan na ye di ni nye enti obi e kwa amna mu emema no kra de 64 years kra de se de si aba de 61 62 se pressure ne the door so sa ho chiro se wuntimi hu emema ni wusa ma mo hwe mu kru no yo no mu hu a mo be ye mo bo ukru kwa adwuma abraso ye ho beto future life mani ne fi se balanced diet esiesie ni padua na mpene ema yare entena ni padua na mpene ma ni ntini mu nsisi ene ntini mu sisi pe obesetimi so ona akoko mu ntimo ebe fa ato ose osa na so sisi fi se wapo no so nyina awewe so wapo no so wewe a enya ade a ntini betima ye adwuma yi enti beka wakoma ebeka o kidneys ebeka o nipadua no enti enuane ne ya ade esiesie nipadua na buo nipadua na ma nipadua no enya ahode ntimi gina so eye de ese ye bia enti ntina future life wo na wo meyare your life tonic wo ho abibia ye kwankro bia etimi tutu momra ya so ye ho ebe chiro kwa befa so abedidi ni atrotro nkrat niema bia gu krata so a media mato ne din 12 apostles if you say the boni padua na wo ban a wo ba na ama bia bisa na ema bi hama wa betoto ai wo dwoma obe blend no anom bi so sisi wo mfichire entintina ho ma yare emfa no mbra future life for ye wo ho ena infection so ya de di ni panya sese Ghana infections be 25 na wa ni nyina wo ba ye wo moa ye de be boa wa ni nyina wo be free ho obia mra so yo if you say infections na ma men baby enya prostate enlargement unya pe me say cancer den ho bagim if say gland na bie cancer den ho gim pe efie gya adum me ni obi a obaya so yo ho a yebo na o say week bia na to aduro 9500 ebia me no de yenya o say week bia koto say aduro no so amoa no enti ade na wo betena ho amasa yare na fa no mbra future life for ho wo da chinti ne ho enti ye tro kwan befa so abedi the exercise a wo be ye enipadua ne here exercise enti wo hwe future life box no kra eno kwan po ye kasamu o say numsuo 8 glasses a day na ye exercise 30 minutes a day what ho de na wo je bra so ye ne mo a ye wonuane a wodi na lopa ne anwumre nipadua ne hia aduane bebre sa fi say ye funu no ye kakra obi afuti so no ankasa ansa obi afuti so no ankasa ansa obi betima di say be 8 agu ne yam wo be break it down woda ani senka aduane wo yam ye nuana na boa anadwudidie pa wodi a na wa men na wada enka nipa benya ka be di heavy once etinka ankoda na bibie ne yam na fe woda esa o kidneys no bibia so timida ba ye didie na anadwune akotete ne ma pii agu yam fi se benya be for de ahye no fi se ewu a enti misra obi ahwe na aduane die ye ensuo papa ho hia che anuane pii na ye di no ye yefunu sa momie susu fa aduane nhye fi se wo articulator the first cement 800 na kofa 2000 na wo break engine no enti wan kasa na o se wo nipadua no enti mumie susu ni di nuane bone no beka nuane bone ne de enye se aduane akoto ne poso nuane bone che se bibia anim enti wan kasa wo didi abisa ho se aduane medidi na menya afrim ansa na medi future life a natural food supplement e boa nipadua no de bia meka sa bibia wo de hye fom efifi no ene nkwa wo muti sa na de future season nas ene de into the chef for my efifi enti ntina ho ma yare mfa no membra future life ho fi se nipadua no nyina ne ne bebre fru nipadua ni mu ahoɔden first wo di tro mika nyina na ekofom enti future life eboa masa ahoɔden no esan gyina so enti ada na betena ho ayare ansa na ba future life yaso yo wo benya pressure de diabetes ebra nya japade ne ya prefa momra yaso yo beboa mo prostate no enkwala na ko school no infections ni di omunya enti sa wo ba wo se bisa no ne wo mani nkomo so wo bibi se be won panzim na se keka no na chie ne ya o kidneys no bibim ti second time guachi emo no be furu sesi a ni na wo ba ye ho a ye won nioma e be boa wa e masa de ni nyina amba ye wo so full alignment bra ena sa wo obi so anya sciatica anana kotodwe ne ya wo ba ye exercise bi e kiro a wo ye beboa nipadua ni exercise entina ho sa obi ho te condition mu oda condition mu otika condition mu osore so a onante eso hu se watriti ni nyina ebesisi esisi a wan kasa na be how your health is your own responsibility ti brasio ne nchiro kwan be for so abaye wo life eboa nkasa e so full alignment obi amra yaso ye ho ene nuano so yato apeti se wo pebi edi enkola na ko school no muntobi ma o fi se boa nipadua no empene ma ne ma ewuo bi a ma nipadua ni mu cells and tissues no be se da bia ewu ekwa hefa wo mu no future life a clean up enti be clean o system no nyina time bia renew cells and tissues no etitimi ma wo gina so ye mon twa nyare ansa no be the future life if a food supplement a boa nipadua no de e free mu no na esan hye ne ma waposo na wo nyina rewe no etimi so you can't deceive nature obia obi wana ne sa kan to so na nsa we ya den was mintimi nkoam na beti na ne ya na bakon ni kotodwe ne sisi na chika se na ebiebie ni nyina ya chim na wo won kase no nyina esa eti future life boa masade ne san gina brane eti ntina ho masade ne nto ene nipa bebre o hwehwe nipa pie wo makadem die ya ni kotodwe ne sisi na ha ne nyina che se wa ma yaso ye ho efi se niema na esa no na eboa nipadua no enti de efiri mu no na esa senti time bia mo se ugina so fefefe na eye manage se obeka se India for se from 75 years afa no wasi ne mranti brio ne maba abremu ne China for no ye de 70 ne yesisa ne yakopon de ma wa ma yesa o 120 years enti wa ankasa obetima ye odi nyansa ne nimde na ma ye we na tete no dan emu hu yo mo se ye ohina duane ne ye ni akono so so omuni o ba be hahama eno na future life ye de supplement ya bra say didi na de bia nya ahoden na fa som onyankopon obi amra so full alignment me de numbers ni tuja 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 one more cycle say bibia me say a natural food supplement a eboa nipadua no e ma bibia enya yare bia ebua manipadua ni gina so fi se nipa wa anyare awungu eti brabedi enuane ni bi na nya ahoden na me de me se fa som obo ade no we ni nipa nyina hye de numbers ne ba ko 0242
87
80 90 0242 87 80 90 ana judi de me stress obi anyai mesi nipadua ne ntini na eho ne nyina akoye te se ntini wo eho se wudi nioma anwa ne nioma dedam a ntini sisi entimi nya adwuma ye entimi ma wakoma ne entimi empompe blood ne ye eti wo hwe future life na anwa ne nioma bia anim se tube wo ho na de oye ofam a esi na de nsuo fam de ensi saa na yenuane ne suban tie bra na mo nipadua no na entimi nyina so na emfie Nyankopon de hyewa hoode wo mu nya call to glory na do so Nyankopon se be ne da adwuma de makra wo nyenwie ene obehu 45 years 34 years ye wusa kidney problems liver problems ni nyina ya enuane na ye di a emmo ye nipadua no udidi a mesi bisa se aduane na medi no die na be ya ma me ansa na medi bra so yo ho be kan de ha o che ne chro ekwan so be fa so be boa ye the natural food supplement ebe ma de ye obia agya ya ma ho ato ye wo sofoli alignment ya tu nuane bia peti ebi wo mampon sunwane ebi wo nkran ebi wo adum ya tutu apeti wo member bia na se wo ma da na se bibi ha odi a braye ho o sa hodo ha nkrofo nyina braye nuane na yedi na nye no e na e ha ye ya wo sofoli alignment me can numbers ni biem 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 number 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90 edi Nyankopon jamu
nyame council ho pa yeah hey spokesperson and a ranking member when it comes to Agrica. And when you change come and now no pay ni na ko here say abino ede so ana ato say ya bro ya toko ye wheat enema eye grains ya wa memo ano say immediate effect nya de o mema kwan ama ya dey ye de ebi every Ghana hakoba bia na emom 3.5 billion almost 8 billion, $3.5 million. So said just a moment can 8 billion. I buy a chassis or the quack or con a pa ASC was slim said a bear a diane a home quatry. Nano minority for a was some bisu cow home. What was the so bar buying the says damn so near or yes, or be so can cry. Na nya dag out to be no koy ye anka we nyina mba odo ba rikopoku mi mo ache
na jo zuminia
na opom to say
na mi adum boko
say ade me fro pa oh
mine ni dey o ka say that me don bet na we ni ma no pa ba ko ya think ko mo be 2 hours
unya bra ni entrance na ye do so agriculture mu wo Ghana ha na eniema aban no e dey atudwa finance minister no announce a package omo ye said the be ya oman no ye ho nkyene ye ni ade mudi asem na mo ka mo se say
yo mine me da wase na ma chia we tie ko nyina nse the package pa na esi wo northern part of Ghana no na ababa no is ababono eti mfu amanfo ye ya expect say ka enche bi ebe ma aburo ne mo afu ama ye di bi afie ni ade no ho bi ni nyina ese ya hwe ya komplexia pa na betro man ye ko wura afefo fori mu no ye santi no na wo say aban no keka no ho na oye nhye bi a ebebo ama Daniel Mano actually aqua form kakran. Na me how can see I want to say the Obakaya yeah debate to parliament they can say I check kakran can bear 3-4 times on the floor of the house. Then on Maya you need food buffer no. After election to be up here on my bebre. You need food buffer. Food buffer they say but my class will come at work to so pay. I'm just now one client. Because say you need a bro and a more cocoa back over a dear steward to say at the election care the back of her. And no suit and 2011. The government government established a food buffer stock. The any woman you know. The first one is the country against emergency. Second one, no, Ingram market, no, not a brown more a bro and I'm more buna. I'm on the board from Parma for one show. Young couple surplus, no, FMC. Not a true lean season now, no one cost rona. Consumers and so better now. You release it this year and normalize the price.
Okay.
When to the year buffer stock.
A positive idea.
But don't say.
We see a very positive and laudable idea.
Yes. It is a brobu not a crapona no boy for na omunya ska bia fimono one to this kind of quiet my head will be a yoke you not about talk about no about excess surplus no efimo na my price high normal producer no na hon train no obejan sika kama apedu ebre bro why dey na ne bo no peja ebebe bia no buy dey na consumer no ye won ye no release your to see e be kakra e di aba now they normalize price no. And some one maintain stocks are would you go on to eventually buy what for Ababi. About we buy no. In fact, at some point the problem buffer stock assurance say finance will be $100 million. Normally apply to any BSC. You can't say normally this guy be seen there. Abandon release CD. I'm a buffer stock. And tell you, and Coco Bacocra and Vanya Day, NC. And all this one as a nation, you need to first talk there. You will be an Nilo Coco cry, yes, yes, a combat, and now to range in between a Racopa. It is a penny unit, you know. At least, can you food buffer? No, if you are saying, you will be 9 and Sammy Acope, and go was very other countries, not more.
Okay.
That was a giant near. It delayed a penny unit, you know. Obi ayam di chine say ya here dia na ebi nyakra no edene ebi ye ni choice bi adam to say ene na ye grace kakra na ye wo ha se sia no ye ma obi amfa nko ba bi ankoton now that is na ministry na dia ba no eye na so eduma kakra wo ho age se ye won say won mo a ede wo mu nua no koton ma Burkina fo ni ade no wo mu nya ebo kese wo mu
okre
eno so odi turu wa in fact Burkina for no be baba to ton hand de ko
I say bi kura ebe to ase
e di o mo ye say o me prefinance akua for no
yes
jisika bi na ya na ma beto na o mo ye sa adwuma ni nyina e di sia na ya ni say no e was say aban put in place mechanism or no de beto immediately also me kama buffer so na o hwe price na o mo de ko ton no na o ma price a e kwa anim kakra e chei the only better no ma Ghana producer na and go doctor no be nyesa kese no why attracted say me turn ha me nyesa kese aye dey every anya Ghana dey say the same man koton ko a what doctor you ma ko akoton but akoton in Ghana say dey about the city e o me turn ma ye
yes
and was immediately no finance ministry no e make it available to the Minister of Agriculture through buffer stock na ye separate offices across regions na Ediano no 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 more na kese ABC tell me be ya na e come na ya mbise di next year ni chite ye be ya aduane ni ye dey e wa ha to eno ne ade was immediately ye so sama no on lose because obenya be bia to na de no obenya bo nso a ope maya to ni nyina de sie na ma ahoto aye dey aba then again that year when so I was a king agency so one constituent one factory no ayi one village, one dam.
One dam.
I was there, and also now bring the scrutinize here. Over Kaya, I don't know one village, one dam. Some of us say, and yet possible say, Ubeki Hayat Dam, baby. Because down there, Uben baby is still. Now what we train every other areas among the about fire dugouts. Dugouts, you know, if you say a gula, who to the honor in Sionka at the term, not the new is your defense here, not away. Hello,
Eric Casabit you.
It's the Ephesia, not that in Siona a day, away. It's the dugouts now, only to a normal friend of dam. In the same unit, you know. Nina ya day arewe ha nti ade a wose immediately ya ye benya aduan say yam pagya eni akuafo no nhia na ye pagya aduan no bo ma akuafo no na ban physical tono animani ya so that even enekoti na woke no woma bokina fo ama muska ne ade no oba no se omra abani wom so mo me yenye so nti usikani watono dia kama wakila nini nyasi ndia
okay
nemo sayanya tika anko treka ho say ekoto ya nsabo anko surprise no amakia fo na hu say ebo we dia ebebo aye a le benya problem. Number 2, a tendency will not southern sector no a penny ni ho and you also strategically you can southern sector no so a quite the first one, you beboa. I'm a hope production also cost of send you pay northern sector, Diana, Emma Biglino, 100 a day, a bishim. Ubakaya, and lay food distribution. No, okay, food distribution cooperative.
Yes, Titipano.
Also, number of silos. This is the even
go Ghana have a beer.
Yeah. It's the piano. The flow will be a more 18 man, not almost a 4. Not yet the Amba. Send a pair bedroom area the dear piano. And the bedroom summer, a hard short on, net piano, silence now. You wait my head. Hello.
See a bassa no my year.
Good. The dear Yaka who said Yaha? You 2 bunches, not bunch of farm proper. We be quiet now proper. There was a ministry in your then you go across. Now you deploy, you need a cassava processing machine. And they call cassava producing this now you talk about talk as a policy. You talk now you have the video go Robert package the camera. Now you store any man on kakran. So the next year the community here, you like I say, you prepare your way behind. Now this year you can say you call ECOWAS. Over 2018, you call ECOWAS for the ammonia group.
That's right.
They say you can't call it ammonia group. You need to ECOWAS. You problems, you know. And yet, one say, Burkina Faso in Niger Park, they should be the same problem. They're almost in the same problem now. And then if you follow on ECOWAS. If the ECOWAS stocks no continue so the mark pressure back our continent.
Okay.
So immediately no. Immediately yeah, na me worry me say. Management no in the case say and go release. Ubekaya ebra ami we na buy no. Aban the case say or the 44 million. Ayi eno ka dead blue no. They be comporting kokono. What the 44 million at the BAM here a container, you know. 44 million, no, almost 20 million, they are common lazy. 20 million also from the public awareness. You can anchor. I'm a veterinary officers at war regions, no. If you continue Bosnian, Eddie Koyers, man, anticipate this camera, now come on your music, open your problems. If you went on Macano, a different from the all religious canon. Immediately, no way, almost active fast. Na yes situation no
okay
na ka omo ma buffer stock no ye adwuma se na ye nyina ye expect no e na sabe wo food buffer se kenye ko America and other countries no wo food buffer even Kenya wo food buffer countries no be wo food buffer why is that mind the Ghana na ye say ye ni buffer e biane kakra kwa e di na to raise ni to ya na e ko sefre
Honorable Eric, Medawa Sinu Chrimuna. Why are they be no pay? I'm a mania so. And say, okay, how no? What's our swap prefer solution?
Yes.
Mestre say, yeah, Unianum Bibri, both MPP and NDC. Ghanaians are not interested in the problem. That is why you are there. We are interested in proffering solutions to the problems. And okay, what can however, what my solutions, Mako bear and 9. Which says are buying far a beboa. This is what Ghanaians want to hear. But unfortunately, a lot of your colleagues don't do it. Acquire problem now, no almost so catch yeah, problems. Because yes, so problem your team. I don't pay me boy basopa. That's it. Obia what here are dear way. Ever born in Samarico Poku. Watch us on him day. Your mama bams obey a Greek minister. Where you straight to pass. Hey, so I'm a Ghana for trouble. Because all say, or can't seven you know. And the money were there was a binding yenny. Over Freobi, over Casa Sa, we saw the say. And today, the house in Albino Tisono. So, Onime on corner be look at this. Abano Sutam and Yansu Diangu. Rico Boku, you've won my admiration. Too much. But say, Dr. Kwaba. Never shall now boat in
Yes.
What cow how no?
Yes.
I can never be a buyer.
I was interested in the solutions now.
Nemo, why man, so how? Solutions not the buyer, no, so no.
Yes.
A practical and cut out.
And I'm share Dino. We won't say ending some how.
I will say how. Yes.
We say you
you don't. You will attack and they will be our position. Say, how are we going to solve this foreign exchange problem? Your foreign exchange 16 no. Today, what will be your solution to bring it down? I want to know what will be your solution. What will be your solution? None.
Yes.
It's all about and your solution. Eric, you've won my admiration. Your schoolmate, you know.
Oh,
I care university. We met.
I see.
Now I'm here a school class rep.
Oh, okay.
Between exams, it's me a assignment. Me say menye no same. Oba, otimi free konti esro. No oba in this no pabicho. Me say that we magije we menye. 2004. Oh my goodness. Doc, and I had here found the idea in each day.
Oh, my that's it. Mention of you, Naminchel, I shall phone with you for the pay. Now, I'm in fashion down so much with them for my holding. Let me share, I shall phone you for the pay. And so, no goofing rat. And so, I won't buy. It was at the more joint problems, no. No, phone, and use a cry. So, see, could do your ticker saying out to you, so we say, and yet, I'm not much better than someone painkiller. Tona Mombra. Na I found Todro so no more calcium. Emma Bona holding na yano everyone mukra. Once more as my muya Muntimo home more bread home munyanso oba na I read them last week na ya car miscarriage and she can say ye dear child here. Yeah, feeling na beka no hwase.
Course now when you know.
Too much, too much.
Wasubu.
Too much. But they make kind say they are a draw.
Okay.
You say Sompa more you see with him as a strength be could do power.
Na Ghana baby we don't see still
as you know. Pressure for rubber.
Fresh I'm for share power. Ghana have baby out. Oh, they buy a gas or tea from friend. Motor from friend. Somebody, Yamin Esrai. Yamin Esrai. She will.
And to be, I can say, when you're a current one, be a yes. So, and Pibo de here on our daily activities in here, Pibo every time. So, about first is on Bompire, but and you be so now. Very good. To one more than Yame, Bompire and Yamin Tawachina. into asem so I don't really feel more muti radio no me fan say number no TV so no wow he bet
okay ti wow ti radio
so number is 0277 00
1234
0277 00
1234
Ebia what you feel about you say why lab be why scan be who be people share WhatsApp somehow my friend 0241 367349
0241
36
7349
Oman play a small size be
okay
na ya dia hwe ade be woni padua no mu mo amuti radio no so over TV no so onsa pam no
wahano
onsa mu no ka onsa tiare bo ho
na ensa we no
yes na emfa onsa no so dem na fa gina wo sei
onsa na we no
ai
man so be
either left or right
Yeni say
ona
kabo ho ona aboye bi
what didn't say akunya so ha pejan say very good on say me hold there in sheki ona body in sheki me dey in sheki mean say your central nervous system no is perfect
e to be between say na sheki
e wo so bri
oye ni sa say kakra bi no
so e posa
na ni sa ne
yes go ho ye
na e say
yes mo say a loose balance na eno a ofo o so mo kura mo say de waso no also e fu bi
my bu akire ho
mahu obi an de no e ba won timi kwancho
obi anya ne de na hwe de o yare wa sisi anya nkoma le duro
obi de timi ba na osopem kura o tro ana eno asesa
obi de a so akire ho obi anya ne sase
na pa wutie mi a
peja we nine no kabom
yes ya free be central nervous system ya de ba mu a na sa jacking no
nti obu ono ma also bibim kura na jacking kakra ya tete forum sa de obi kusiara
obi nim so na ofa glass no also papa masa obo na maji oduo and sa poposa so ya na chibi no mo chedi ano ya de no de o mai ya nsa na Ghana ha o
sa central Parkinson
obende I'm just saying Ghana obende
eti ebi anya bi
bebrebe anu aka mi bi
usia no a
bebrebe
enye stroke no nya ba Parkinson
yes
o kasa na no
ena we kano Ghana ha Africa there even Muhammad Ali Mukra na mo
Muhammad Ali Mukra mo de nyini ko wu
yes na odiko nti we saw say they were near
at the point they were expected said former President Rawlings he was having a letter
good
then he teach
and no ya dia central nervous system no a spinal cord and ya adwene and a form side no
okay
so how no nyina
as an engine room
yes a share free adwene mo then na transfer ba spinal cord no and your daily activities here no bebebe lucy name bi aya yehu ba ha no say entire check up ntino oho no ma fe wonyi mu na e wo so a na fa na dey na say yes e bia I could see bia na o yen sa e tam camera fe boko no na agin samukra ni pa dwene no na me born say e here protection pa until you know we know over 22 bones ka say different 22 ye ne ho de enko 14 and 8 e cranial bone until you know how no e ma frontal protection dorsal and then lateral to the brain no so that how bia go brain no but interestingly in so many friends cerebrospinal fluid ejina adwene ho and the adwene no and na cranial no mo and so no suspend the adwene no
nti adwene no aye said de adwene bi a woda nsuo ono ane na nsi for no nsuo nti sa cerebrospinal fluid no
yes and no yes
and ma jakwa de say magnet bi na ache no
ya suspend adwene in a sense o my adwene no eni kwa say your team dru e wo your team o to is your team odu
there
very good but adwene between 1 kg to 1.5 yes and that in the party
1.5 kg
yes
adwene no
yes but was on say
to ground
it is CSF no and ma adwene to suspend ya nya se bibi si na sasa so every one na adwene no e be tihwe kwenu no mu a ba bi ato hono no informant mi ko bi
whoa
enti ya de be hono me ba enya se bibi na ayi nipa no science will not be no hono a swati sa suspension na adwene wo no
enibio
very good therefore baby na quite cranium no e ho na account no is embedded and has impeded it is impeding the cranium no ama inframa ne moja ntimi ma hono therefore in nsa so sa gege o so mu krani
bo kwa na uniti ha
ne kon
gina hono ma na
wo su kakra ne kon baby the chi baby spinal cord no mu no na otisa eya no obi opeja dade
macho for
o say obaso obo akoda ni mu a you tell opeja de wontimi no and the far na say wa board to limit no then we go beyond eti kase no ade bia be me chimbia na bia ni kakra yes including constipation we motima wo chimwa
ebi su constipation ya bro
obi wa no modra ontimi
ebi ma yam tim jaja a man titru
yes the more what chimbe
so e dia
a man hormones ntia
a man hormones
yes hormones
man yam timo
ma bebrebe na
obu a 1 week no jare na
and obidi odidi ya bibia so
na dia system no
bodo na shisa ne man
we o ja careful no o jemu gu so da ko
and the next man the san man dey normal with them
okay
obi a wonom so na dehydration wono so
on pension
yes obi wa hwen nantina so sa wom but still am the hono crash honum the bia na no wo pa na no wo try
it's also no nsuo mo whether we cry
yes
ba nya nsuo nyunu
ha ba say different o what I say but so hwa o do so more different evaporation
so you're dehydrating you need to hydrate
yes nipa onum so bebrebe na bia o say body lifting and na adwuma ye no onya 1 kg
peja ne
ye hu to say omo wode bi honum omo so omo sinizi
asram
sinizi kesia pa
na say sneeze no ebetima te utrimu ntini o
very good it is believed say say obesity kesia kenyo no ebi kakra
it's no
and you also obesity nso bi ba bonten if I say
and ebu a utimi sinizi na wani so as yellow say
yes
as yellow bi aba wani so
and so e ba na fi say o sinizi bi a heno na abada bi most of them no na insure jan adwene hu bi na nya kwa descend and you are lighter than heno no what I said to true sack kwano so no
doctor dem say was a program pa
you know science so no be
time we so ye doctor and so ye
amanu di ana enwa pa obi aya addicted to sad na say wonya bia mokona aboji for ya to nam no
asram no
mokona aboji for
mokona aboji to nam no
ton no bi esiri say the otwa asra na ma hu obi asra mokono okoje di ya pa na o chuko do say
we ya paro o ya gafo straight
owi a no sinizi kihe na fe no won so na wato no kinium no yamya se ni mu keke e to yeti bi repeti so eye se no so nya break mu se bi bie uti so ayi ya sare se so se de kind ye bi so de ayi na but no we are the silan but so pa adwe no etim for bia no so but o ja na no be sa chi na aside skin no heal na ni pana you free but the moment obe force who to bring something out no sneezing no a body na mechanism a fin bi gigi boano na eyi dey
no sneezing but don't force it
but all this animal no unu me wo because ma say ya dey my join afra abana
we
yes you understand
well sneezing what hia
force na e ba no too much for the body na a break no yakra na nso no bia pia ba so wo ye no wo so na de heno na akota ho no na epia ba no me was eyi na adwene ye adwuma no na oshegu no
to ye ne sa bedu baby na asa
yes a town council so no so tia adwene city on the part of the cranium no city pe mo dan ko from anko afeja ken na asase and amika o mo pejale man so chi the same thing which one ma no one accident na one point so many just heavy back to the waist and now back and now baby obika kwashwo na
agina after 5 years
yes onko no they say insulin na are and when I will musica no they can't
yes nya Ghana
ti uko start of for us kwa bi obet match what one so no o ti your dey want to move e wo pan dey say na ajai sa pa no bebe no ahoden akwan kin san su no na amara sa
I take you for
na
I kai brebe me CCM ya pa man kai
very good
me was sa pan no miensa
what kind of price no
but now could be 1,200. I'm talking about 2018. Oh.
Yes.
The woman and sound Spectra.
Yes.
But I say now could be 1,000. Doctor, what's the
very
name?
Good.
Friend say, oh, we're finishing. Asafo J.
Yes.
He's a young guy, very powerful.
Yes.
A medical doctor.
He said,
yes. But he has said to say be a program here. I feel sisi no say yesom say na yet.
Yes. And so no.
And obi be frɛ obi no say me nkɔ hɔ no. Me call your own question machine na panie tintin bi odi wo ho baako. O one baako pet.
Very good. Yeah.
Because what 3?
Yes. And all the time that panel na ya
do wo. Samre no 1,000 to 2018 and they kabebe 4,000 baako.
Very good.
So imagine say uniska. Usisi achia no.
No. And I just say what no.
The pain is too much. I was crawling on the floor. Me cause a boy man betra mo ye adwuma. Hey, dangerous.
What as in sense no aye no. See you be na odi ewo no. Na kwanki so na aye adwuma na ahwato. Uhunu nto say o de adana na akoyo. Babu wono ma abekọ no na akofa bibi na
wasa wansa so akofa bibi atwitwi.
Ofo we what you no
we spends into
o ba won so na free wa local flat. They can say adwe no control every aspect of our life. Number next week we have the brain, human brain and sex.
Okay. For numbers
but say who say o kon ya o chika say mu ya who say ya lucky joint no wa na ba bia lucky unta no ho no ma na no etia
na satene
unya na hwe wa we tia na satene o down say na wo so tingle bi o ka say
no na mountain
ntempana na o to da mo no ba na.
That's right, that's good.
Ya mama so wo so apampa wo no mu no ha to sis no freme I'm going to be a man will be
that's right.
Now, oh, how be as I will come as I will atuma to Chimai. What I saw, you must have wanted to so no ma. What else can for now by home? And walk out so now when you actually dominate. Number 0277
0277
00
1234
0277 00
1234
na because what but you will have baby wa lab you wa kwana wa now they send you
0241 36 73
49
0241 36 73 49 Allahu Sharifi Yankupon and Yarisafo and I say I mean Chair Dr. Amin Bonsu Doc I mean Israel Dr. Adam Samotin and Kano over at Jaman at Tenassi sounds also and Fosu watches what Tenassi na me mamu nyina akwaba na mo pom to say
yes it has it me hoya
see last week I share any subsequent weeks no bia manifesto my and will be a manifesto that will say bam. You be tutu na basani asre. Now, extra many openi bi betra se atwetwe nkomo. Our KNUST. Now, we are told he initiated the idea for NDC on the stress-free academic user fee payment our mampani John Dramani Mama di hon komo no echina obe fie ha no mo no pa me no ebe di komo bebre no wa chire mu ebu on ma our mampani John Mama cleared the air the last time say it includes all college of education, nursing training, teacher training, every aspect of it. And I know Jina simply so kind. Nani pa bebre si ebi msi go or no to no to say and so that issue is settled as to who is included and who is not included. Now we're going into the manifesto. Now share Dr. Mahmoud Baumia a press the brief for ne central for Ghana in our region bia ko gina mu kasai e mo kyerɛkyerɛ ne niema mu nsoso e ma mu busa no kosa ahodo mo yi bia no ne ate ɛna no pay abo no ngotwe apa ho meet aduasa nson ma memra ho no mo ona di kan bai mo manifesto does it change or does it seek to cure the problems we find ourselves in? Ebio, dear Sunkune Woma, Mama Ghana ni ahwe no say enu nti wo to abama. In the next 15 minutes, you have the floor. Mamintio.
Omanhene mama na wase. Na minchia ye tifo ne yahwefo. Na Oman say a flag bearer. The current Vice President, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I engage press and also Sunday.
That's right.
And extensively we deal with issues we bring. Manifesto knows that now here in Yakonya behind Chirinsimu. The questions we left, right, center. From even in Crawford, crowd names a Nipa Sumesi dear. We were here, Juma Kubinkum, and our year Juma Pavanifa. Questions, no, so you could see they are tough questions. But to Jinan and now, so for almost 4 hours.
Yeah, 4 hours.
They responded to issues. Nina. My manifesto wabonting. We will say, a day and a moye. Intia and Santuamos. And a dear crown and mother walk and it was it you. Yet the manifestos me now, but since 2016. 2016, the end day about power ne 2020. And the third one, I hear say they be break 18. So Ghana for Bekaya economy I beto ye no ye inherit a dumso economy. Economy na enyuma bebre egu air suffer because of dumso. Coastal for steel benders, radio stations, banks, name it. Until you buy in 2016 was the industry it grew it was negative. I mean manufacturing especially it grew negatives because can you say no say bibia a work system. On my Obekaya the health sector no was almost if my borrow chairman says words about because it was collapsed like the health sector had collapsed, not comatose because Sabre ambulance and crying in the system no 37 pe health insurance now you have facilities now almost strike. Am I what I say? As maker about energy sector maker doom so at certain points you have driver for omo cars e kwa akodi queue so akoto fu on the your money na we went through that and even mere chok was even a problem. You have the then second lady saying, yeah, ma chok ne, ma chok china. Cancellation of teacher trainee allowance, nursing trainee allowance. We had a cholera economy. A cholera timidity na nipa bag bubruja over 200 no more. A cholera kuomo. This was what the economy that baby inherited. Amaya ba ye no. Yentimi magana enye se heaven there be yakasa ya brenyame ba ya so ene ya famode enne enkane anagina so. Yes, we admit just as the flag bearer admitted Ora Mahmoud Bawumia I say yeah ahuchire e wo ma enimu ba mesra obusuafo mo mayenka ba bia ye free ba ene ba bia ya beduru na dum so wo honom ene dum so ni honom bi ana meboa obi akọ na dwuma so a otimi nyakane edi ne dwuma bia sa bafie emfa ho se dwaya na edwanye no kane a wo ho de ye den eye na dwuma de atosu bio kane akro na no ebra na abanya no wo ho dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wo san babio no kane no afibia on average from 2009 to 2016 afibia no omutumu averagely 50%. About way by you, the rate at which I can hear Nantesa averagely afibia 11.1%. Petrol yenyabito. Aside no acquire hodwa ya acquire almost 3 times the NDC for Baye. Ya almost 12,000 kilometers. Almost merely 4.5 I can't say 4,500 kilometers. Yeah. What you say? So they cannot compare themselves to us. Yeah, completely hospitals. In terms of the health sector, 47 hospitals. Yeah, completely agenda 111 hospitals. So yeah, ongoing. oba health sector no so a health sector na health insurance atonko no enne health insurance no yente let's facility bi akọ strike da anamebwa health insurance assign open ni scope no amenne children with cancer are taken care of. Sickle cell patients are taken care of. Dialysis kidney patients omoda dialysis so almost health insurance now accommodate you omo a many work say omo ye above 60 and omo ye below 19 years omo free dialysis omo 2 times a week which canning in aboma 8 times a month no health insurance fa hoka omo ye between 19 to 59 almost so dialysis omo ye no twice omo free dialysis 2 times a month and omo the aged and those below 19 years no free dialysis 8 times a month. Omanhene what you say? We no nyina ya neoma ye coupled with drones de abeka ho ene the how to reach areas ni nyina no etimi di can say enuro etimi kɔ honom ekɔkɔ save yade ade ba bi ade ba ko ya sa etimi abo ya restore nursing training allowance ni teacher training allowance 3 months pay policy ane wo honom ye twam teacher ni adwuma mfie miensa na yatua ne kabo so me eni honum bio at the tertiary level utility bills abanya wo honum be yi free ka se ye free honum abanya mfasa aka ni bio awofo mfasa aka no abanya we ba ya yi ni na free honum Omanhene aside no kra mpo no enne also ya introduce rent assistance ska se me na me pesika han dan na minisika no me di betua 2 years ne be 12,000 and 10,000 and 15,000 na so me ya adwuma ana afa ne manya adwuma no mitimi kwaka se me hia 15,000 de akwa kotua me rent minif amone efiewura ne rent assistance team ne beje ne yatua ska na mefiewura no na bosumi bia me matua no in installments on my way no me ade a yatimi aba ba ya aboa ama Oman no enhyehyeye ene yenka nko akona ni free SHS ye hu hia krase meka ho asem because ene ya de a be sure say awofo nyina no ehunu so mfa so drones ahodo a ambulances ahodo a constituency bia enya bi wenu mu nyina ya neoma aboa ama Oman no ye hu no say yes ahokyere wo mu de nanso abawe ba ya no ya yenhyehyeye pi nkrofo a ye fa wo mu nyuma a chese unemployed graduates association enebi ni hobby anameboa Tubebusa said the next chapter of NPP and then ye person ye because ye buy ye p Anglo Gold na egu NPP aban so and na gina na now so e fa nipa mpempem akoma e na ye adwuma wo honom one district one factory nipa bebre na ye adwuma wo honom enti de ye kan say the next chapter no enyoma NPP first 8 years yasha as it is a free SHS industrialization driver back one no on my way no nyina no say me bo ne tofa na ebre ni so no ni nyina no ye behye kena what you say ni nyina no ni o papa na yasha as na President Mahama so oba no na be ba beto aso no free SHS ni agenda 111 or criticizing ye no so ni nyina be ba beto aso no sabi you me me dem ho dem ba o ye sure say o wa me yo me kura no betima hwe ni ya asen Omanhene o dem kire no eti san yo mani nyina ye ba beto aso eti die be ade ene ye be ye no soronku bio ebia eni ye first enioma ye be kan no say ye achievements dada Omanhene enioma ye be ye no emu bi eye adwadifo nde say ye dikan aka adwadifo a edigwa no bebre tax sam hunuhuna wo mo aba beye ade a ekekere wo mo kon obi kura po tax wo de ka be 3 years 4 years ontimi ntua no akwa negotiations na bia wo tua ni in installments ene aban no say and the next NPP chapter owura Mahmoud Bawumia edi anim no ese sa tax sam no ye be paper dada na wo ho ni nyina enti sa Sompa TV ana Sompa studio ana say the group Sompa Terawan media and I make us a tax some cry problem maybe I had the cabinet 2 years aban so oba be wiping nyina ama yanya clean slate Omanhene what you say na yanya e can say
this is 93.1 FM
what form so much say obia betimi handle sa flat rate ne de beba no na nkwa ye say ade ne wosoro dodo na nipa kakra bi ena etuane a open up so much nso ama nipa bebre enya bieye Omanhene ade ba ko nso a ye pese ye bio electricity ekwan be na ye befa so enwuma bekọ nanim ekwan be na enwuma betimi agina o na so ye electricity ya ade a kill businesses bebre because residential form but when you business now wo bebo am anwuma akọ nanim no na wo electricity bo no ya be 3 times the residential rate aban ne se da bi anya ne sa ya betiti ni nyina so am any residential na ye pa na sa ye even cheaper than the residential se be ya abebo am businesses emfa so and am cost of production abafo no mo mfa so akosoro no matimi expand afa nipa ne bebre Omanhene what you say ade ba ku bie wa ye besan ya ma nwuma akọ nanim ne say they say ye be free bibi like you would think Ghana first consume Ghana first say Ghana aban so be use ne purchasing power anasa ahode ye wa aban nsam a wotime de to ade no eno na aban be use adi say adwuma no na ye de on say NDC aka so ono so be similar thing MPP aka so ono so be a similar thing na ye me de na de ma sonso ye ba ye mienu mu de enum se ye de no owura Mahmood Bawumia say o de mra beta kira ama na ye compulsory ama all government institutions say ye see ye kwa akoto akonwa sabi Omanhene ya akonwa Hausan hu enye what you say Zuba ya akonwa Hausan hu enye say ye see ye kwa akoto mmoa say Ghana de ane ye ntoma ne nsan ya woni reason bi aso kwa akoto broni mu
okay
oh who said the no eti ya de mrabe techre e dia protect businesses se be ya ye be consume ya neoma e wa hanom no na etimi aboa ama nwuma aba wo manim na enkwa ya ze bia ya de bia broni de TV ya e wa ha de enim se yenye bi wo so magazine ha ene yenye bi wo Ghana ha je se bia Apostle Ko Joseph eti se bia yentimi miti demand ne de ha emra ne be ma ho kwan so be kwa kofa bi e wa abontin aba Omanhene what you say but once demand no wo honum ne produce ni in excess there wo say ye to Ghana ha ya de Omanhene ade ba ko a e ba san boa ebio the gold industry say Dr. Mahmood Bawumia kire nsem na anu ye about the gold for oil and even Bank of Ghana the gold purchase policy na eba no you see no say ebrebia no eto ajeje mu eti I remember no na me hwa adongo one joy eno busa say kwan be na but Dr. Mahmood Bawumia kire kwan obefa so amasidi na gina ne na so kwan be na so obefa so ye de no de ma men come there because of brain become there be kan ormo there Omanhene ye hunu say ukra gold 1 gram unim say dollar ni kura no because gold is rated in dollars eti yanfa say mi kura gold worth 1 million Ghana cedis say me dey call the sister say me dey be call bank say me dey pay dollar no gold na nkasa no say me di timidru amanoni ya mi kura dollars ba what you say eti aban na dey awo ne say ye dey ye cedi no beto gold no e wo Ghana hanom na ye di gold no mo makwa amanone akope forest na gold na be yensi achi ba ama ye sidi na ebre nyina na eto ajeje mu no eti o manfato ho bi 2022 a na enioma eto ajeje mu a even full price ekoduru eye 23 Ghana cedis
per liter
but you started gold purchase agreement ohun se ni nyina started say dey ba for me is between 13 to 14 Ghana cedis per liter. What you say? It is the gold purchase agreement ne ya there. Ya be de nsi achi ba. There santo subio. Enya ne toto no nko a.
3 minutes.
Ya be set up a bank. Omanhene banker ebeboa eye omo the mining sector no small scale mining sector no. Se be ya wo pe equipment bi a obi ono ma ebi mu ya pen ebi mu ya small China ebi mu bokoli.
That's the minerals bank.
The minerals bank yes ya be set up banker ebeboa ma nipa ni pesika no ma omo kwan mo mutimi ya responsible mining no wa ansa ya asase no What you say? It will open equipment. Maybe this gold catcher. Commodity monitor for a crab. Gold catcher no boarding. And any penny na beti me ato. But a bank ni who say no. Ade a wodi koye nie. Na bibi a chese concession ni o dia. Na otimi koto gold catcher na. And on the recovery rate e wo soro. Ti aban ni say obe provide machines ni bi ama. No asan aboa banks na ma asetia bank na de be boa small scale miners no. Se be ye o mu benya sika e de aye adwuma no. Ni atimi anya yields ne mo. Ye nya yields ne mo a na aban so atimi atoto free wo mu honom. The other the days you say ya she excavator. Ya say miners yakwachi wo mu anyway ni nyina no atwam adentira aban say ba be ye ntete de ama wo mu e na aban so asa blocking concessions na me ehunu say oh aha no kwakwaye no okwaye trial lock amfa. But this time round here ye ba be set up community mining ni yie say be ye mabunu ye be ka chom so oh okwa bantema himfie na chi ho no honum de enim se ho na sika akọ ne wo enko starting free dwom ho because all the obeboka bibi eni honum na ya no community mining atete amamrante no na omotimi aye adwuma. The other ayibio about the gold sector no also the large scale mining community mining companies also am shaft bebre o ma abandon aban se one sa companies no ebe yen hyehyɛ. In fact goldstone I wo casino formina. Also goldstone a jai almost shaft ni bi di ama emrantie na ne maba wa wo honum na almost the community mining. A similar thing is what the government is going to do. To abandon shafts no ya beje e di ama mrantie ne maba wa na they are into mining no. Ni are provided the necessary equipments the ama wo mo. No omotimi ayi wo mo adwuma ni yie. No omotimi recover gold no more. Na aban so atimi ato se be ya oman no ebe.
Thank you very much. Why are there? Mama call ofori agimai ho. Na
there's no abandoned shaft in the Formina district, not one. That is my home district. There's not a single abandoned shaft. At the end of man, na more can. Mumbisa what is shaft? Shaft no ye if you now. Ye two mine and entry point now. No. That na technical person. And one say who can 21 there's not a single shaft.
One second. There now person.
I say goldstone.
Amanano me two or me jahono. Okay.
Okay, make us abandon pit.
Okay. Zubabrem.
Asempa etiao.
Zubabrem. We say abandon pit.
Onim.
Who was it unim shaft?
Onim. Abrantie na Holland now. Or say Ukita Holland passport so one for
so Denmark a passport as well passport professor.
We are money dibim. Say so one for so PhD no. But we are makwane dibim Sunday way. Because I be who PhD a dream we are yedi krom ha. Wallahi talai makwa ji Holland passport no. Say openia uti krom na Akufo Addo beka kire yen say yesidi nu ayetahana enu nti no kofa abrantie ba mudu ba umia beka no ho so omo amehwe yesidi no tidi na agensem na ye kase do 16 na ye bisa question say masa yesidi stabilization na economy nu nti na ba umia de by agensem onim PhD answer o de maye
say
me ye ni nyina me ba me ye de it's the video
Tina our pen no. The
video is here.
Let's write it down.
The video is I can send you for you to play.
The asma or kind on the basis say and say I must have a manifesto. PhD adwene no yenhu sesia because of a manifesto nti komkuen sidi ne say dollar ne say adwene we ine edikuta PhD or power
also did to me, and yes, our ability to solve Ghanaian problem. But or pay to me, a timpo, I didn't mean so about Wonibi, simple so be or they two or the any manifesto. One farm work over Abradway. People with nature.
Yes, baby.
Abradway. I didn't know. What mean so about Onim. One I know so do Onim. Na se ampasa wonima na Ghana for say yewu eno na wo kasa obey ni nyina wo to me say wo ye ni sabre because una ye mampani abede akire e na mampani aka kire say wo na wo su about economics ni so e wo anim na to eti abrante ore yewu sabre ya planting for food and job e bro ama ye hu say mo boa planting for food and job atoko ama ye hu say mo boa mo disika no. One village, one dam. And so who quite na what me nu asamaba. And the ora, oh bibia, ye dem swoni fifi ye wu, ye minute, businessmen come, obibini black man, momodu gu. Inti abrante, o she say na wo ka kire ye nsa ye de 2 million ma 2 million na be de kire ne wo krache, ye, o se me ye ne na. Me ba, me ye den. Abro Achmponi Muri dia guvo de chi Min waste my time kwa abro for Number 2 ye launch a manifesto no I catch for the civil society for some omuka no amama ho say ba kwa boba ko bro Some manifesto de ma de chi am for be second division edition of manifesto true press encounter because once that they are no shit TMP bibim bata on anya reviewer of your manifesto na de chi am kofo ne gwai. Bottom line. Me kan nsemfa me ansape. Omu yo launch on manifesto na catch for ne society for ko ba dom kan ye TV. Ene ye die nso de omu ho aka no so ye TV. Me nko ye ba mi assembly ni bi. Me ye assembly ni tie na ya de akoye ni. Me say shaft be any other man, you don't know what it is. Shaft my try to cry. You don't know what it is. That's one of you shaft.
What time na me dia ma na wo de adwuma. Bacho
political science lecturer. University of Ghana. Dr. Kwame Asa Asante or say the National Democratic Congress Manifesto provides Ghanaians with a vision of hope and a clear roadmap for the future. I've been for Mapa Kwame Asa Asante Che Amanyosem our University of Ghana Japan or say NDC ye manifesto near the buy ama Ghana for any daso na chere kwan pa ye de o manifesto a ebeye na mpacho samriwe aba enkade bi owura baako ye freno Franklin Kujo akufado ne ba o mi $1 ne je o mo nsem no muti abedwako bi so mo bo mo no mfa manage $1 no na Franklin Kujo o ka ho bi wasi afi na wati nyansasem ono na sem o ka no me pese me kind ne brofo no na we ko translation na obi a Ghana for ma be gaza ko we ma me bi sha me na o fambo na kan kwa za
wow so kan kwa
because ba mruni mo
o fambo na so kan kwa sa
na po ma me de me che de zu bedu o say oh na o fambo na kan kwa
po ma me
e no de na po ma me de me che sa ma me ne
I don't zu bedu
mbaba ko no ba me de bedu za say oh, fambo na. Franklin Kujo say, I had a clear, relatable, humane, and universal ideas. Say, I feel the na swat nyansasem.
Na so Kenya.
Asema.
In fact, the chemu de na Kenya sasem.
Clear, humane.
Na clear humane nyansasem.
Universal nyansasem.
E just say ni patima. Humane no just say I someone ayetima.
Okay, any afei de wate asem a emu da ho.
Na
ubetimi edo ho ato so
ede ho ato so na eye
tema
aha ne ganyansa sem
na ekire ade a ye nyina ye ya ebeboa
ti yinyansa sem ni free
party ase eti nipa dasani a ono ka Kufuor management team omo de hwedola ho ka che wo se okasem ya benka de bi and now you go to Suleiman Baima one also West Africa Media Foundation for West Africa meba ono so de no so eyeme de pa ono no de no o say the executive director of the West Media Foundation for West Africa, Mr. Suleiman Abrahama, has expressed optimism that Ghanaians will welcome the promises and commitments laid out in the National Democratic Congress. Positive ratings from academia and social civil society groups. Positive ratings. Positive ratings. One that I cannot point my finger to that was said about the MPP manifesto. And TB. Sanko we antes on can say bi. Antes asem no enim before anyone here we yet timemufo a omo peti memufo ye die civil society we say ndisi fo hu plan no. Na baby afankan kujo say ye ne de. E ye baby aya kase. Ye bat abema. Sa we na know all. Yen ye wi ni ye ntino adwen a ye de ye no ni nyina e wo ye trim no ye de go no ye ba be ye national economic dialogue no ni agese because problem na ye wo mu no eni say no nko fa na say mine no eni e ka egu ye so no
ya je toatoa
ani en fa kaka be nsem ni mi nko ana menim na eyo Omanhene ye nyina ye dia and was ba ko na ya to the din ora no say ya cho levels no wa ko cho ora na de tie exam
ora ne practicals
ora ni ye de be bua mo anu am ye de be tia no operation recover all looted assets
state assets
looted bibia ye we bia Ghana first 4 months and joma ma ha be de inipa be pataban
atu
hunya bi
enya wurewura
David nya wurewura enkomodie
ya te bebro David people will run away we will why say gosi aga
me say yaw me show bo yeah man panya ka chere ni say oro anu ye ne be ya ma no oro team no we on standby who said ex official member because only baby
onu na be chere baby
only baby looted I normally ya loot no ewo yeah, clearly. Mampeni Mahama any so ade ho dey go nkrata so dey better manifesto na solving a problem. You see, go first try copy because a normal na work in a while on campaign he has said it all. The go for try copy. But because original idea no enye one o copy a enye ye. For a fact, obi anglo go dey nguda. And I'm saying it on authority. And 1 year or call Abra President Kufuor commission the redeveloped of Boakye mine. Ombedi adances call signboard and Anglo good at the about the commissioning of the redeveloped of Boakye mine, not the collapsed mine. And the managing director at the time, Eric Subontin, in his speech already thanked the previous government. What happened in Boakye? Shaft na no work no nim no no na ye de mine no Boakye and ye di gold na what the north side of the mine ni na awie na gold na ko kasa so and na sa technology no e mo boka. I wish one day you invite me na my more detailed account with figures proper and compare with Goldfields, compare with Newmont at the time. Now gold price are dropping from $1,800 to $1,001 and $1,200 per ounce. And a company named Boka, they decided to implement new methods. On the buy mining and on the unadjusted program for mining operations APMO. At the concessions at the bread John Mahama, and Ghana was going to lose money if we do that. And President Mama looked at the future of Anglo-Good and granted them the APMO. And no mko fa ejumeko bi de Ben Cat fi Australia Ebeye project e fe no oboase deep decline. ODD. Say near fast shaft na be kwa asase bio. Ye the car. Any room. Near the Ade near the call. And me as municipal chief executive, decline. Every month they were giving me a report. Me dey be a shoulder. Me dey documentary report me every month. As the time we were exiting, the last report they gave to me in November of 2016, we were at 63% of completion of the ODD. Who told you that would be good, Jumano? Recently, I went. You called chairman. My name is Richard. I called top of Adansi, where I slept. The hotel we slept in. The people who paid, I told my chairman, say, almost a good man. Even when I've left office after 8 years, when I come, they still take care of me. When a big good man, they will take care of him.
Oh, so yeah, then there's a personal rapport.
Personal rapport, but good man, it's a personal rapport. Who can say a kufiyama when they cover the bit of personal rapport? What good man? What do you mean your personal rapport? But we aided and helped, and the facts are there. Obi aye begula juma e no ni team me create your Boakye University campus of KM University. Obi a megula juma e no ni team me up here university. Said on so good do here. So that one a moot point. Okay. In the gold
3 minutes more.
In the gold sector. In the gold sector. What we are saying is that law never ho. Any 9. Yeah, money 9. By creating a minerals investment and marketing unit to the Ghana Gold Board. Yeah, baby, a district mining office. So Mahama says that he's going to decentralize all the agencies, regulatory agencies for the mining sector, i.e. Minerals Commission, Water Resources Commission, and the Environmental Protection Agency. In the district, be a war mining potential, be into 4 new agencies coming to your district, creating employment. Now, these 4 new agencies are coming to implement what is in the law, Act 703. What I say. And then the Gold Board, which is a minerals investment unit, is going to make sure that the district mining officer has all you need to mine. And here, idea of baby mback. Even who are Manson Quanta, you won't go to Jacobu district to go and buy input for your mining.
Our district.
Then we are going to use modern technology, providing you filters, and I will show you evidences of business meetings that we have had with South African companies to clear all water bodies that has been polluted under this regime.
When we come to power,
use it to create employment. Now, meanwhile, everybody is going to mine. Young Koya said, the state, a friend is saying, community mining, not DC, dear. Mobile forming cooperatives, and all that we do is that we are giving you licensing in the district. License bill. What I say? Almost I feel number blocking. Me, if I take you to my car, my book right now, I have a map of all the gold deposits in this region in my car. I've shown it severally. And that's smart by TV. I've shown it severally. Smart even took a copy. Would you have been here? We have done it. We have it. What I say? Where the reef is in Konongo, I have an idea. Where reefs are in Amansi, I have an idea. Where reefs are in Adansi, I have an idea. And we are just sending people who are going to form cooperatives
to do their job. All right.
And we're going to guide them to do it.
Maxwell, 5 minutes.
Am I? My main country minister say yes or had a good community. Bossy. It's now I thought say in terms of gold, the new money be honor where they need the usage of shaft anyway, maybe you name say me. That is why I'm about the layman say you carpet. But I still stand by the shaft and I'm a car horse. And yet the omudi descend the conform and you know shaft. Okay, Timesono, Meshadam Agogo, what mining shaft means is about, I say, the excavation consisting of a vertical or sloping passage for finding or or mining ore for ventilation, for ventilating a mine. Or call the other, so I say excavating a hole in the ground made by excavating.
Okay.
What you say? Mr. Shaft is right.
That's it.
The second one. The second one. Mesa Kabiu. Say Anglo Gold Ashanti Egui. Ye nyina ye wokrum hanom. Say ye ko bi ano no ka kire say moko ye ne ya twere honom the commissioning of redevelopment. Na ya brofo na waka no. Redevelopment as ye ne say.
Redeveloped.
Masa. Redevelopment. Ni nyina ya de krona.
Redevelopment is present continuous. Redevelopment is
ni nyina ya some krona masa.
Enya de krona. Enya de krona.
What you say? Enti Anglo Gold Ashanti gu ye nyina ya tikrom han mo bi anim. In fact,
give evidence.
Na ada kra agu. Eti enya we na me no ba be gina ho no ma mo.
No, give evidence.
Na committee na ho. Ebio Dr. Mahmoud Baumia or Miss Cotin ese was say na oye ni nyina asesi ya den na obeye president a obeye there was a manifesto sabi it was a comic a year pass and osaka asembio ka ho na emo anka cry in relation to the dollar obi busa ne say adan na nioma woye ni nyina no oso obetwa yi level mu oso obeye yi ho de bass we beba any sa nioma ni nyina no oni so ade hunu ni nyina no a oso wo no adan na wanye onye ni sesi a wa mu akufuado ama na anye and o say ye ni nyina de ase ne na ye nhia ayibia bi o no say they obi catch President Mahama say nioma na wo so opeso wo beye no adan na wanye ne bra no wo ye president after all President Mahama and as a former President Mahama de wanya akwanya di president ni bi pen etu busa ne say adan na nioma wo so beye ne no sabre no wanya Omanhene what you say no o de anu ye na president onipa kro de bema but osankra bi o say ebre bia ne de eden eba utimi ya ba ako a na wokomienu iti mesra ma NDC for nye na no engozi bone the other one it appears o mo manifesto na nkasa no wantimi address me mom nsem na obe focus on but me Omanhene for us there henkoya nim among some your ma ye besan ye biu Oman ene se eye ye beboa ama ya introduce electric vehicles aboa ma cost of transportation grounds so aye dey abafom and aban we krampo aye nhihye ya by the close of December likely see ebenya eye be 100 buses no ebeba be start eye aboa ma the transport sector no etimi akonanim ade ba akon so aye san ka che ye national service personnel no ss the next chapter of NPP no obi we national service no one adwuma bi a national service ni me compulsory many pani bi Omanhene what you say obetimi akọ no akọ na adwuma na afi akire no kan say omo maka no atimi anya kwanya spaces na also omo efele no emeye o hye say akwanya da ho pa nipa na nya adwuma wankwa ye service na masa obewie na adwuma no krampo atwam the other one na yesi ebeye bio youth in IT Oman yesi ebe training emabunu 1 million
copy
ewo abefu computer sim na sabio de wa rekoto enya se wa rekoto pen yo do guso rekoto no me se ma rekora obaji machi Ghana card ene uko DVL o services bebre you can do it online ene address system a ye de me ba so mpa ha no ma ihia se meka jozo du anase a I just send you my location and you can easily get to baby I also wo and now per passport you can do it online. Most of our services yetimi aboa are transforming economy nama ye kwa direction bia even most of the advanced countries no krampo no in terms of say ye formalize economy no kra no most of them kra in no it is ye can see ye be etete IT personnel and as a youth in IT ni aboa o ma me ya export bi ni atimi create employment me sure say between NPP and NDC no NPP and any da so honom say ye betimi Omanhene adi say adwuma no ebia unso no Dr. Mahmoud Baumia the next chapter I said the next NPP government no Omanhene we are not going to have more than 50 ministers. We are not going to have more than 50 ministers. because yen nyina ni Omanhene baby a free ayeba. Appointments have been issued from 2008 and after 2001 abefa Professor Mills Abreso ba bedu President Kufuor Abre ene die yen nyina ya promises obi so odne die bebe 60 obi so odne die bebe 50 yen nyina we all commit to san hyehyeye no Omanhene the other one manage the local
finally
local government sector Ade ba ko Dr. Mahmood Bawumia so obeya assembly members bebre o Omanhene mu nyina anije and they say the introduction of electoral area common fund na nya say common fund ne ba MC is me di kosi hospital but there be anagata bi di edam afichire obi anka say hospital ne nye but data na edam afichire no so me manfo so a etieti amu di ko adwuma ne nkora efam ko school no etimi yi free ho no me beboa two months MC ne to ha projects akese na nani bekoso but na assemblyman no so pe bia ya food bridge o pe bia ya drink itu abi o pe bia to street lights and sa no
okay
election of MMDCs de bia maka
obesa de aba
ese Ghana yabekwa yanimu a yentu abanyi MCs also dey be the attention call MPs ne so because
thank you very much let me give Zuba also opportunity by Mr. over time and nti Evelyn Champon na ya wawoda Moshizongo HFM kane honoma nen run na ya wawoda Gizo si belated birthday to you give Gizo si petimpom Ajua Bema Kumasi market Lordinu Satafo MC so ma otrinkwa Ajua Bema Afe Nana Frempong Ajimendia UK Route Amo of Takrade Motrinkwa Anthony Atahin Chairman Victory Club Abrodunkwa Grace Ansa Eden Ebrel Sandra Bodua sweetheart so Motrinkwa Mankraso District Police Command from Samuel Safo Olivia Kredu Sasa of Sea Scholar International Kwada so Mama Pace watch your mother your lovely mother Rosina Tafrifa Asante Fijase Reverend Okatache Frifa Ezra Nana Poku and they are the manager Golda Hotel and Mr. Frank J. Manu CEO of Franklet Company Limited. Hey, and then so Ofosio or say Abaju Fosio Nintini Fosio and Tuntunu Frosio. As a penny pass of TV fame. Ofosio, happy birthday to you. Super happy to you.
I Frank Jemeno, I got that me man.
I Franklet.
Man, I would up.
And you're Remy.
We at the end of the year. Now, what you do is you sustain what you have done and improve it. So to say that we are is to tell me that you have a weak mind in your PhD. Period.
No one here, President.
Sir, we are who are ability not
President.
Please. Who are ability now the Baba Yana? What the ability now the Baba Yana? Your president, on several occasions in this year, he has given up.
We have outperformed.
He has given up. Anna, who called Techimani Kobisa nursing allowance? He said you are going to do something about the following week. You call people here, you did here. It means that you have the capacity to solve things in this government. And you see here, wasn't a day. Sustain the good things that you have done. If we are planting for food and job, you got if you had any meaningful returns and you have sustained it, then can so to it are 2 years no then can fina mobile ban ko faze mam gotori ka fina mobile ban ko faze wa buru no atoko ye man don. So if you have something meaningful, just do it and sustain. The man has nothing in his head apart from his PhD certificate. Period.
Oh, that
I'm telling you, when it comes to governance, he's not there.
That is a backlash. Come on, man.
Yes, and
I know you.
When you backlash, blatant info.
Because it will be empty-headed.
When you blatant
I qualified it. When it comes to governance, when it comes to governance,
no one can. When it comes,
let me qualify. When it comes to governance, he has nothing in his head.
Mahama Kurao.
Aye. Bottom line.
We have had a good discussion.
Bottom line. NDC has outlined very brilliant things. Look, on my side economy, they say you have to be very ingenious in creating an income in this country.
Okay.
While we are going on campaign, every constituency that we are visiting, we are giving them over 20,000 seedlings of palm plantation in this region. Because in our manifesto, Yeka be about the red gold, which is the palm oil now Malaysia and the developing economy. And Mahama is bringing that revolution to this country. And that one is captured in our manifesto.
Red gold economy. I read it yesterday.
And we are not sitting in opposition and not do anything about it. And I'm saying, I don't feel say, I don't about a fango, whilst we are on campaign, go to our commander, go to all those places.
What the Mao?
Yeah, the Mao.
So Mundia.
Every constituency that we have visited, we have given them over 20,000 palm seedlings in this Ashanti region. It is just as it was we are campaigning. We are showing you signs that the chrono man say the way to go is agriculture. Look at what they've done to the cocoa sector. And Mahama is saying that buy a betches cocoa second year the mam see for Amunya 1. Buy a betchem for a befa 1, Namama for 3. Mahama is giving hope. That is why people in academia, better economists, people in the civil society say we are solving the Ghanaian problem. And me say the fact is that Anglo Gold went on a care and maintenance program. They went on a footprint reduction and presented an adjusted program for mining. If you Google, it's there. And I can bring good documents in which there are lots of seminars. Me, I was a speaker. Footprint reduction. Moses Amapaka. We invited him to come and speak to people. When we give them money, what they will do. Anglo Gold never collapsed for a day.
Okay. Time is up. Thank you very much for your argument, and then Honorable Fosu Boakye for that incisive discussion. It is up to you to take a decision. Yame and come on. Exna Kawasem. Etio Winina Manifesto no be biatum MPP NDC. Which of them and hope? Which of them and I did my Ghana so muntu and